Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on switching to compact view in comments in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to access your WordPress site, log in using your Google account, navigate to the comments section, and customize the display to use the compact view. This straightforward process is designed to be completed in about 5 minutes, making it an efficient way to optimize your administrative interface. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress site. As soon as the homepage loads, locate the login option, which is typically positioned at the top right-hand corner of the page. The login option is clearly marked and should be one of the first elements you notice when you access the site. Clicking this will prompt the login procedure. When prompted with login choices, select the option that says Continue with Google. This method leverages your existing Google credentials for a quicker and more secure login process. After clicking Continue with Google, a list of your available Google accounts will appear. From this list, choose the account you want to use for signing in. This selection process is designed to simplify your access by eliminating the need to remember additional credentials. Once you have successfully logged into your account, the next part of this tutorial involves navigating to the comments section in your WordPress dashboard. The comments area is crucial as it allows you to view, manage, and moderate responses and feedback submitted by visitors on your posts. To access this section, click on the comments link within your admin panel. This action will redirect you to a page where all comments are displayed, providing you with a clear overview of visitor interactions. With the comments page open, locate the Screen Options button, which is generally found in the upper right corner. When you click on Screen Options, a panel appears that provides various ways to customize the layout of the comments section. Here you have the opportunity to modify the display settings to better suit your working preferences. Among these settings, you will find an option labeled Compact View. The Compact View setting is designed to condense the presentation of comments, making it easier to manage large volumes of feedback by reducing the amount of space each comment occupies. To enable this feature, simply click on the Compact View option. You will notice an immediate change in the layout as the comments become arranged in a more streamlined and efficient format. After selecting the Compact View option, look for an Apply button, which you need to click in order to confirm and implement the changes. Clicking Apply finalizes the customization, and your comments page will now reflect the newly organized compact layout. This layout not only helps in maintaining a clutter-free interface, but also allows you to quickly scan through comments and manage them more effectively. Having completed these steps, you now have a more organized and efficient comments management view in your WordPress dashboard. This compact layout is particularly helpful for high traffic sites where keeping track of numerous comments is essential for maintaining quality discussions. Enjoy the ease and clarity provided by the compact view as you continue to manage your WordPress site.